What's going on, guys? Welcome back again. We're here with Hatch. So today's video, I'm a little sweaty, but today's video, I just cleaned up the inside a little bit, just wiped all that body shop dust out, and I got the finishing lines, brake line tuck. It comes with its own lines, front to rear, like the kit is legit. So I already opened the kit and kind of started placing stuff where they should be. I didn't start putting it in yet, but it's kind of just placing it where it should be. But let me show you that real quick. Shows you where everything goes, but I got both the rear brake lines going through here, and then the proportioning valve is going to go up to there. So basically it's just like a splitter to the rear too. So now let's go to the front. So now in the front, I got the booster. Booster's put in there. And then these brake lines come off and they're gonna go to here. I'm trying to figure out how, if I should put it like this and try to get it, but I'm trying to figure that out. Then, so I'm gonna have to drill holes right there. And then down here, this goes to the brake line to the caliper. Let me get a flashlight. Brake line to the caliper there. And then this side down here, I'm gonna drill a hole and it's kind of gonna go into the body, and then it's gonna come out on the firewall side. So now, basically if I drill it right in there, it should come out about, I'm gonna say right where above the dead pedal there maybe, but we'll see. But I think I'm gonna start out by drilling those. But the kit is very it comes all sectioned off. I opened it already, but it comes different sections. Like this one is for, this is firewall bulkhead to adjustable prop valve. And then this one is it says behind firewall to the front brake hoses. So this one's gonna connect to these lines that I drill in, and it's gonna connect all on the inside. And then everything's just on the inside, so you don't have the crazy EK ugly looking thing right there. But let's just get working on this. Alright, so I'm sitting in the engine bay right now. So I put this tape here. I was thinking kind of to have the lines go right off the master, but avoid the little hump right there. And you can see where my mark is. And then the other one will go right below it. I have this one here, and then it's got the same type of angle. But my drill bits that I got here, I'm gonna start out small. I'll start out real small. I kind of go a little to the right of that, trying to get it in the middle. This little dimple right here. I'm using that as a guide so I can try to keep it straight. So I'm gonna start out small. I'm gonna go a little bit right to the mark, and then we'll drill the holes, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I just drilled the first hole. How does that look? And then I'm thinking about putting the second one right below it. I can put it wherever, but alright, so my drill just died. The battery's charging over there. But this is how far I got so far. They look pretty straight. They look pretty good. I have the tape there just so I don't mess up the paint because I'm scared about the paint. But we'll put this one. I don't know which one goes to top or bottom or whatever. I'll have to look it up. But yeah, I'm going to finish drilling that last hole down here. And then the bulkhead fitting here. Look at this is the top one. So how these fittings work. So this whole section is going to be through the firewall. Then this nut will be right here. And then the fitting for the other line will go on top of that. But so far, this is not that bad of an install. The hardest part was me actually stomaching drilling through the fresh paint. That was the hardest part. Like very fresh paint. Alright, so I got the light beaming over here. But just drilled the second hole. Let's take the tape off, see if it's clean or not. Let's see here. Hopefully. Oh yeah, that don't look bad. Oh yeah, that don't look bad. And then let me take the little nut off of here. And then this fitting here. There it goes. Alright guys, so I was having problems figuring out like how the fitting went, but it's like a weird T fitting on the inside, but I'll show you guys. But I just got these all tightened up. And that came out pretty clean. I just wanted it so it didn't touch this. And it was kind of just by itself. Got these tight. I gotta get these bolts. That's ugly as shit. So I gotta figure out, I'll pull those off and then get a fresh nut for that. And then, yeah, this section is complete. Alright, so now that that's done, I'm gonna start over here with this line. So this line, oh, that's how it goes. And I mean, I could put it like close in that corner, but I'm probably gonna put it like right there. Maybe over here a little bit more. I think I'm gonna use this nipple. I don't know if you can see it, but I think I'm gonna use this nipple right here, and then I'm gonna just go straight down and put it right there. So we just got that hole drilled. And that's how it'll be. Like next time, I'm probably on the other side. I'm probably gonna drill a little bit closer here. All right, so my drill died. I got my drill bit sitting over here. I broke my shiny drill bit over on this side. I still got that one, but that side's all complete. That's complete to the inside. And my drill died drilling this one. You could probably, yeah, you can see the little light going through. But now we check out the inside. I don't know if the light helps or whatnot. So don't judge this. It's gonna be covered by the dash anyway. But now we got the fittings on the inside, and then this is like crazy T fitting. So this goes to that fitting over there. You can see it. And then this one is gonna go over to here, like behind all the pedals and everything. So then it'll probably go, I think it's like right in here. And then let's figure out the proportioning valve. I think we're gonna bolt the proportioning valve up to here. So let's take a look. That's my bucket I've been sitting on. Proportioning valve. So what the proportioning valve does, like, say when you hit the brakes, your front brakes usually do like most of the work, and then the rears are just kind of in the back. So with this, you could change it so it's like 80% braking in the front, 20 in the back, 70-30, and you could keep going. You could change it It's all adjustable until you find something that works. It's like 60-40, like whatever you need to work, this could control it, which is a pretty cool idea. This is finishing lines. But so far with this kit, I've been in here for a little bit. I stop, I go, it's just been in here for a little bit. But the kit works. Like the fittings are there, like everything's good. I had to figure out how to do it. Like, doesn't come with directions or nothing, but make it work. I'm happy how it turned out so far. Okay, so that's all you're gonna see in the engine bay. And then the whole engine's here, exhaust, whatever. I like that. I really do like that. With the bends, everything. This is like a EK brake booster. I'm not sure if this is EK proportioning, or I mean a master cylinder or not. I'm not sure if that's EK or not. It might be Integra. I don't remember. She's out here. I'm gonna keep on finishing all this. We're gonna put the proportioning valve in, and yeah, let's get it. All right, so this is how it looks on the inside. You got all three of them going. You got that one going to that side. This one, I put the pedals in just so the brakes are there. That one goes to that side. This one is gonna go to the proportioning valve. I'm gonna mark it right there. And then, yeah, we got the rears all set up to where they gotta be. And then we'll put the 5 lug on. And yeah, let's get this going. All right, so that's really like the end of my brake line video. It's not really much to explain on that because the kit is so simple. It's just kind of plug and play. But on to the next thing. Thank you for watching this video. Next video, I'm probably gonna start doing suspension stuff, EG subframe stuff. Just getting it done. But let's keep grinding. Let's keep going. Peace.